Good evening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm gonna presentation about our project. The project called The Benefits of Exercise for Students' Learning Ability. For our members include four members is one Muhammad Sandika, and then two me as a presenter today, and my friends Muhammad Salsabilasha, and for the last is Rishan Aulia Rahman. For the flash slide, we're gonna talk about the background. The background it include four main things is modern education demands high academic standards. Students spend long hours studying in front of books or laptop. Physical activity is often considered less important. A healthy body is connected to a healthy brain. Next slide. For the thesis statement, we found that exercise should be promoted among students because it increases learning efficiency, sharpen concentration, and reduce academic stress. Next slide. For the essay structure, our essay consists of introduction, four main arguments, and conclusion. Body paragraph 1 talk about memory and learning efficiency. Body paragraph 2 talk about focus and concentration. Body paragraph 3 we focus on stress and anxiety reduction. For body paragraph 4, we're talking about additional benefits of exercise. Number 5, of course, is conclusion. For the argument 1, exercise improves memory and learning ability. And 2, aerobic exercise support neuron growth in the hippocampus and help students understand and remember information better and make studying more productive. For the evidence, we have, according to Reti 2008, exercise helps brain cells connect and store new information. For the argument 2, we found that exercise release dopamine, increase motivation and attention, reduce mental exhaustion, and help students stay focused during study session. Key point, students can study with a refresher and more alert mind. For argument 3, we have some point in here that talk about physical activity lowers cortisol level. As you know, maybe you can see on TikTok, there's a lot of lower cortisol level, like, and then there's increased endorphins. As you know that happy hormones that helps the body to increase the happy hormones. And then for the third is help students manage stress and anxiety. And for the last is support emotional balance and mental performance. For evidence, we have Medina 2014 states that exercise reduces stress related disorder and improves mental performance. For the next slide, I'm gonna give it to my friend Rishan Aulia Rahman. Gonna talk soon.
Okay, here I will to continue Rafi presentation. I will explain additional benefit of exercise. Okay, so our additional benefit of exercise is build discipline and time management. It's like students learn to balance study schedules with regular exercise routines. For the next is improve teamwork and leadership skills. It's like team sport teach students how to cooperate and lead others towards shared goals. And the next is strengthen social relationship. Is for the example, group exercise helps students build friendship and communicate with different people. For the next is increase confidence and motivation. It's like students who exercise regularly often feel more confidence in academic activities. For the last is encourage creativity and problem solving, improve sleep quality and energy levels. It's like regular exercise helps students sleep better and stay energetic during in class. Okay, and our conclusion is exercise support intellectual, emotional, and physical development. Next, students who exercise regularly become more active and confident learners. For the last is exercise should become part of students' daily routine. And our closing statement is Exercise is an investment in academic success and further development. Okay, I will explain about collaborative writing process. Our collaborative writing process is 1. Choosing the topic about exercise and education. 2. Brainstorming main argument and supporting ideas. 3. Collecting information and reference. 4. Writing the introduction and body paragraph. 5. Conducting per editing and revision. And the last is 6. Finalizing the essay and presentation. So this is our group responsibility. Muhammad Sendika Nugraha as provider and group coordinator. Muhammad Raffi Satria as conclusion writer and presentation designer. Muhammad Saljabil Asya as editor, body paragraph writer and researcher. And me, Rishan Aulia Rahman, introduction writer and researchers. Okay, for challenge and solution will be presented by Raffi.
So come to our last point is about challenges and solution. We found that there's so many things, challenges to happen to our project group, such as different ideas and writing styles. Of course, every group, every members have their own thought, they have on their ideas about, and then we have a different writing styles. So sometimes it can be misunderstanding. And then for the next is difficulty managing time, right? We have a different time, like we have a lot of things to do, so we cannot do all the time at the exact time. And then for organizing the long paragraphs, we have a lot of text that we have to make it simple, to make it right. And then there's a lot of the researcher. We found as research that a lot of things that different, and we should finding the supporting evidence. We own source about that. There's the challenges that we think that is complicated to our group, doesn't it?
Yes, that's it.
Do you have any challenges different like that?
I think it's not.
I see. And then for the solution, we found the solution by we met and we're talking about for the step. Yeah, we have a group discussion. We met and we have a talk together to solve the problem, right?
Yes.
And then for the next is dividing tasks clearly. We separated the job, like the Rishan have their own, me have their own, but especially our friend Sabil doing so much thing in this project, so do us too, but Sabil is more doing that. Okay. For per editing process, we met and do the per editing process together, and for the last but not the least is revising the essay together. Okay, that's for all for us for the project group, for the presentation. Thank you for the day. Have a nice day, guys.